Are you ready to take control of your life and embark on a transformative journey of self-investment? In this empowering video, we explore the importance of prioritizing yourself and how it can be the catalyst for launching your own success story. Join us as we delve into 5 key steps that will guide you towards self-investment and personal growth. From defining your vision and goals to cultivating a supportive network, we provide practical insights and actionable advice to help you make yourself the best investment you'll ever make. Discover the power of setting clear goals that align with your passions and aspirations. Learn how continuous learning and skill development can propel you towards new heights. Explore strategies for prioritizing your physical and mental well-being, enabling you to thrive and excel in all areas of life. Uncover the benefits of cultivating a supportive network that uplifts and inspires you to achieve your goals. And most importantly, embrace the power of taking consistent action and embracing failure as a stepping stone towards growth. Through engaging visuals, inspiring stories, and actionable steps, this video will empower you to invest in yourself and launch your own success story. It's time to break free from limitations, unlock your true potential, and create a life of fulfillment and purpose. Join us on this transformative journey of self-discovery and growth. Start prioritizing yourself today and become the best version of yourself. Remember, your best investment begins with you. Step 1. Define your vision and goals. Begin by engaging in self-reflection to gain a clear understanding of your values, passions, and aspirations. What kind of life do you envision for yourself? What are your long-term goals? Take the time to write down your vision and break it down into specific goals across different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, personal development, and health. Make sure your goals are aligned with your values and have a sense of purpose. Step 2. Invest in continuous learning and skill development. Commit to a mindset of lifelong learning and skill development. Identify areas where you want to grow and acquire new knowledge or expertise. Stay updated on industry trends, explore new subjects, and seek opportunities for personal and professional development. This can involve reading books, attending workshops and seminars, taking online courses, or participating in relevant communities or forums. Invest time and effort in gaining the skills that will help you progress towards your goals. Step 3. Prioritize physical and mental well-being. Take care of your physical and mental well-being as they form the foundation for your success. Establish healthy habits that support your overall well-being, such as regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. Prioritize mental health by practicing mindfulness, stress management techniques, and seeking support when needed. Self-care activities, like hobbies or spending quality time with loved ones, are essential for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. Step 4. Cultivate a supportive network. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, support, and uplift you on your journey. Seek out mentors or role models who have achieved what you aspire to accomplish. Engage in networking events or join communities that align with your interests and goals. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion and can offer guidance and accountability. Collaborate and learn from others, as their perspectives and experiences can provide valuable insights and help you navigate challenges. Step 5. Take action and embrace failure as growth. Ultimately, success comes from taking consistent action towards your goals. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a plan or timeline to stay organized and motivated. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Instead, see it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace challenges as chances to develop resilience and problem-solving skills. Celebrate your progress and small victories along the way to maintain motivation and momentum. Remember, investing in yourself is an ongoing process that requires dedication, self-reflection, and adaptation. Continuously reassess your goals and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay committed to your personal growth, prioritize self-care, and surround yourself with a supportive network. By investing in yourself and making your personal development a priority, you will be equipped to launch your own success story and lead a fulfilling life. So start today and make yourself the best investment you'll ever make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Smash the like button and comment for more great content.